Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making monster pumpkin spice rolls in the air fryer. If you haven't already, consider liking this video and subscribing to see new delicious recipes. Let's begin. We have here Grand's pumpkin spice rolls. It's limited edition. If you can't find this, you can use cinnamon rolls instead, if you like. Okay, you see the arrow with the line? Just put some pressure on it, on the line. There we go. Wow, it smells really good out of the can. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, that's the icing. We're gonna put it on the side. And let's separate these. Okay, that's one. For this video, we're just going to be making 4. And we're going to set this aside for another day. We also have here some melted butter. It's around 1 tablespoon of melted butter. We're just going to apply it on top. There we go. Okay, we're set, and now we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to preheat the air fryer at 300 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been preheated. Let's put in the pumpkin spice rolls. We're going to spray some olive oil into the basket. Okay, let's put in the rolls. Okay, let's put it in. We're gonna set the time to 10 minutes at 300 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes at 300 degrees. Let's take them out. Look at that. Looking great. Okay. Okay. Put some icing on it. Okay, take some of the icing, just apply it on the top. To me, this smells actually better than the cinnamon rolls. So at the grocery store, I got some candy eyeballs. And they're different sizes. We have large and small. You can get this at the grocery store or you can buy it online. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, let's make them look like monsters. Put one there. One right there. The big one is in the center. Now we're going to take the small ones and put it on top of the roll. There we go. We also have some writing gel, and you can get this at the grocery store or online. We're going to draw in some veins. Okay, last one. Okay, this is what we have today. Monster pumpkin spice rolls made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. Thanks for watching.